So at that one talk about in a meeting?
That was a part of it. Plus keeping a closer eye on Tony.
Right now, it look like Mr. Mullins is going to put me on indefinite leave. Because him not going to make me do nothing where Tony is concerned.
You don't have to stress it, man. Remember, say everything is based on assignments, you know. So if you don't get none, you just tuck in and relax. It not affect your pay, you know.
I know what you see me as incompetent. And me I worry about the interrogation.
No worry about that, man. Remember, say it's a work in progress, you know, and I trust you. And you're going to learn along the way.
There is one more thing I need to tell you, but I'm not say it to nobody else.
I'm not like go this song. What go on?
My mother knows say me am an agent.
Tony, please don't tell me say confess to your mother because of what happened.
No whisper. In call Marine, I'm going to mention police over the phone. And she asked me one big question when me are doing an interrogation room.
Hold on. So you give me a phone call off of your phone?
No, whisper, why would I do that? Remember, so I have to carry them phone in the interrogation room in case they want that one phone call there.
So I'm using one phone call and calling the mother. Smart move. But how you know say we not family?
Alright, when she find out say me am an agent, me and her have a heart-to-heart conversation. She tell me say when I'm Sean Crowley's take her phone, it look like him go through the phone and see picture with me and her. And she tell me say him show up at her place and I question her about it.
I hear what you're saying. But you sure so she gonna keep her mouth about you being an agent?
What you mean? She have to keep her mouth shut. And me tell her say don't whisper nothing to nobody. And she go see the wrong side of me.
As long as you make sure know. Because she'll implicate a whole entire agency. And that wouldn't good.
I'ma tell her how delicate the situation is. But I think she understand. She don't talk.
Why? I hope she understand. Right now, me have my own issue I deal with still, you know. Because Patsy I hear double time now. She even hear the conversation when me and Bubbles did have about Celine. She hear when Bubbles said to me say, if me tell her about Patsy and she says she sense jealousy. So she hear the word of that.
That not good enough? That too good whisper. You ever get the feeling say if you tell a partner what kind of work they do?
You know, so I really never had that medicine. I just not paying no mind.
Why? Sometimes it rests on my head. I feel heavy. I want to say it to him but I know how.
You know, you can't do that without consulting Mr. Mullins first, right?
And that me that think. Me I think say me and you can go to him and tell him so we trust our partner enough to tell them what kind of work we do.
I don't know.
Our you not trust Patsy that much?
Honestly, I don't trust her, you know, but I get so used to keeping it in our circle and that made me comfortable. So, I don't know if I should say it to her.
But you just tell me say she hear double time. You're not afraid if she find out?
You have a point. I could think Mr. Mullins and see what I say.
Yeah, I think the best thing for do. Me can hold off from Karim, but I'm not sure with Patsy on your side. Hello, Shepherd.
Lily girl, I need to see you. But I need to speak to you. I know that you're going to be there Wednesday between the hours of 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. And on Friday, you shall be there between the hours of 12 to 3 p.m. Tell me which one of the day them if you come.
You can come Wednesday.
Lily girl, make sure say you're there, you know. For it is very important.
Important, Shepherd?
Lily girl, you know say important to me. Important. Just make sure say you're there and food there. Alright? But kids don't be
What happened, Shepherd?
No, this boy you come back drive me. No, it's alright. The police shall stop him right about now. Lily girl, I will chat to you later.
Yes, Shepherd. You hear that?
Me hear police siren.
Oh, I know that. I'm afraid of that man, yeah. But me, I wonder what you want to talk to me about.
Why? Sorry, say you. But my brother and me.